for tonight's video. This is Domabag vlog. I'm having this evening video here. We're having a barbecue party here. A small group of people. Those are the male group. The husband of some of my friends and my husband, Ray. So that's it. Yeah. That's it. We still have another friends here dancing. They are dancing. Look, they're dancing here. Look, my senior friends are dancing. Hey, they're dancing here. Dancing the dayang.
Dayang.
Dayang. Come on, girl. Go for it, girls.
Yay!
Go for it. Yeah, that's Joy. That's Nits. We're having a barbecue party at Nits residence. Look, those are the ladies. They are full of energy. We've been eating a lot. Now we have to yug what we have eaten. Yuga na. Yeah. Yes. This is the evening video from Domabag vlog. See? That's my friend. They are dancing.
May gas-gas na to.
Ayan. They're making a pole dancing. They're having pole dancing here. Look. Pole dancing up. Hey, pole dancing. What's Sonia having pole dancing here?
Did you know that putting garlic under your tongue can actually